Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard CBSE chapter 7 exercise 7.2 29th sum integral cot x log of sin x into dx. What is the meaning for that cot x? Cot x is nothing but what? Cos x by sin x. So you will write integral cos x by sin x, cos x by sin x into log of sin x into dx. Okay, so you can take it as log of sin x equal to t. Log of sin x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here you are having two terms, log of x and sin x. What is log of x? 1 by sin x. Then this part is over. What is the differentiation of sin x? Sin x is cos x equal to dt by dx equal to dt by dx. So it gives integral. You will write it in a proper way, log of sin x into cos x by sin x into dx. So integral log of sin x is nothing but what? T. See here, cos x by dx, you will write it here, cos x by sin x into dx. You can bring it to this side. Cos x by sin x into dx is nothing but what? It's equal to dt. Cos x by sin x into dx equal to cos x by sin x into dx equal to what? dt. t into dt. Okay, what is the integration of x? Power 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So it gives t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. So it gives t square by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Log of sin x. You replace that value. Log of sin x there whole square by 2 plus c. See here in this sum, sin x by 1 plus cos x the whole square into dx. I told you in the previous sum itself, you should see the sum. If it is sin x cos x means, because differentiation of sin x is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. You can take it as any one of the term as a t. Okay, see the power, and that term you can take it as a t. 1 plus cos x equal to t. 1 plus cos x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the differentiation of 1? 0. Cos x is minus sin x. T with respect to x, it becomes dt by dx. dt by dx. So minus sin x into dx equal to dt. But in the numerator you have only sin x dx. So you can take it as, change the sign for both the sides, it gives minus dt. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. So it gives sin dx equal to dt by 1 plus cos x. It's nothing but what? T square. So integral t power minus 2 into dt. So t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So what is the value? Minus 1 by t, because the power is in negative. So you bring it to the denominator, it becomes positive. 1 by minus 1 by t plus c. What is the value of t? I kept it here. 1 plus cos x. You change that value. Minus 1 by 1 plus cos x plus c. Is it clear, children? See the sum number 32, integral 1 by 1 plus cot x into dx. So, integral 1 by 1 plus cot x. What is the cot x value? Cos x, trigonometric value. Cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x into dx. Now you can take the LCM. See here 1 by sin x is the LCM. So sin x plus cos x by sin x into dx. So it comes to the numerator. What is the value you are getting now? See, integral sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. See here you can multiply and divide by 2. Why we are doing like this? See, we will tell this multiply and divide by 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx, multiply and divide by 2. That 2 sin x I split up into, see, write it in such a way, 2 sin x is sin x plus sin x. Sin x plus sin x, that 2 sin x, I write it in a manner sin x plus sin x by, because sin x plus sin x is what? 2 sin x. Sin x plus cos x into dx. But what is in the denominator? Denominator is value is sin x plus cos x. Denominator value is what? Sin x plus cos x. So what we are going to do? 1 by 2 into add and subtract cos x. So sin x plus sin x, add and subtract cos x plus cos x minus cos x. Whatever terms you are doing in mathematics, you will do add and subtract or multiply and divide. Okay. So previously I have done multiply and divide. Here I did add and subtract by sin x plus cos x into dx. See, 1 by 2 into, I merge the term sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x. See here, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x, because all the terms in the operation of addition and subtraction. So plus sin x minus cos x by sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Now I split the term. See here, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is common to both the terms. 1 by 2 into integral sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay. Plus integral sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. See here, sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. You can cancel the term. What is the value you are getting here? See, 1 by 2 integral 1 by 2 into, that is 1 by 2 is common to both the term, 1 by 2 into integral dx plus integral sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay. See, 1 by 2 into integral dx plus 1 by 2 into integral sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. See here, Differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. But here the sign has changed. So you can take it as minus out. So 1 by 2 into integral dx. You can take the sign out. Plus 1 by 2 into integral. Minus you can take it out. What is the result? Cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. Minus into plus minus cos x. Minus into minus plus sin x. So it gives, you can take it as, in this term you can take it as, you will write it here, 1 by 2 into integral dx plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 into integral cos x minus sin x by cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. So it gives, see here, it gives 1 by 2 integral dx, or otherwise you can take it as this term. I will write it here, the same term I will repeat, I write it here, cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. So you can take it as a denominator as t, that is sin x plus cos x equal to, I can consider as a t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Sin x become what? Cos x. Cos x become minus sin x equal to dt by dx, equal to dt by dx. So cos x minus sin x into dx. Cos x minus sin x into dx equal to dt. You substitute everything in the equation. See here, the sum, see here, 1 by 2 integral dx minus 1 by 2 integral. See, cos x minus sin x into dx, what is that? dt by sin x plus cos x is nothing but what? T. Sin x plus cos x is nothing but t. See, 1 by 2 into integral dx is nothing but what? X minus 1 by 2 into dt by t. dt by t is nothing but what? Log of mod t plus c. Log of mod t plus c. So 1 by 2 you can take it out. X minus log of mod t plus c. You replace the t value. What is the t value? 1 by 2 into x minus log of mod. What is the t value? Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay. See the 34th sum, integral root tan x by sin x into cos x. See here, integral root tan x by sin x into cos x. What is the trigonometric another form of tan x? Sin x by cos x. So I will multiply and divide by cos x. Multiply and divide by cos x. Multiply and divide by cos x. Why I am doing? See here, into dx. So integral root of tan x by sin x by cos x. You will write it in such a way, sin x by cos x into cos x is nothing but what? Cos square x into dx. Cos x by cos x is cos square x into dx. So it gives integral root tan x by sin x by cos x is nothing but what? Tan x 1 by cos square x into 1 by cos square x into dx. 1 by cos square x into dx. So, integral root of tan x, that tan x, I can write it in way root tan x into root tan x. Tan x I have written in such a way, root tan x into root tan x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but what? Secant square x into dx. Root tan x get cancelled. What is the next step? Integral secant square x into dx by root tan x. Secant square x into dx by root tan x. See, differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. So, you can take it as tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Tan x become secant square x. Tan x becomes secant square x equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. Secant square x into dx. So, you can bring it to this side. Secant square x into dx equal to what? dt. You substitute everything in the given sum. See here, integral secant square x dx is nothing but what? dt by tan x root t. What is the another form of root? 1 by 2. So, integral dt by t power 1 by 2. It gives t power minus 1 by 2, bring it to the numerator, t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So, what is the value? T power minus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So, t power 1 by 2, t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c. T power 1 by 2, you can take the LCM, minus 1 plus 2, t power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus c, bring it to the numerator, 2 t power 1 by 2 plus c. 2 into what is the value of t? Tan x, that is root of tan x. Tan x power 1 by 2. It is nothing but what? Root of tan x plus c. See the 35th sum. You will write 1 by x into 1 plus log x the whole square into dx. See, you can take it as, because it is, you can see the highest power. Okay. See, 1 plus log x, you can take it as t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 1 become 0. 1 becomes 0. Log x is 1 by x equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So, 1 by x into dx equal to dt. 1 by x into dx equal to dt. You substitute everything here. See, integral 1 plus log x, it's nothing but what? T square. 1 plus log x t square. 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is nothing but what? dt. 1 by x dx is dt. Now you apply the formula t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. It gives t cube by 3 plus c. What is the t value? Replace the t value. 1 plus log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. Is it clear, children? See the 36th sum. Integral x plus log x the whole square into, because everything in a multiplication, so I write it like this, x plus 1 by x into dx, because it is in a multiplication product form. Okay, so you can write that denominator x anywhere, here or there also, no problem. See here, integral x plus log x the whole square into, you separate this term, x by x plus 1 by x into dx, x get cancelled. So it gives integral x plus log x the whole square into 1 plus 1 by x into dx, because x cancel, get the answer what? 1 plus 1 by x into dx. Now you can take it as what? X plus log x equal to t. X plus log x equal to t. Why I can take it as x plus log x? See, differentiation of x is 1. Log x is 1 by x. You see the sum, you think of the differentiation and you can take it as this, consider term as a t. Okay. See, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. X become 1. Log x become 1 by x. T become dt by dx. T become dt by dx. So 1 plus 1 by x into dx equal to dt. 1 plus 1 by x into dx equal to dt. Substitute everything in the given sum. So it gives integral x plus log x t square, 1 plus 1 by x into dx is nothing but what? dt. What is the form? T power 2 plus 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. It gives t cube by 3 plus c. What is the value of t? X plus log x the whole cube by 3 plus c. See, x cube sine of tan inverse of x power 4 by 1 plus x power 8 into dx. See here, integral sine of tan inverse of x power 4 into x cube dx. Write it in a proper way. X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8. What is the differentiation of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Yes, it is correct. 1 by 1 plus x square. So you can take it as tan inverse of x power 4 equal to t. Tan inverse of x power 4 equal to t. So in the place of x, what is differentiation of d by dx of tan inverse of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by, differentiate with respect to x, 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, what is the value there? X power 4. X power 4 the whole square. If it is x means we have no problem, or otherwise you can do it as a successive differentiation. X power 4. X power 4. So 1 by, in the place of x power 4 the whole square into, see here, again differentiation of x power 4. Tan inverse of x means 1 by 1 plus x square. But in the place of x, what is the value here? X power 4. Successive differentiation. What is the differentiation of x power 4? 4x cube. 4x cube. That is n into x power n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. It gives dt by dx. It gives dt by dx. So 4x cube by 1 plus x power 8 into 1 plus x power 8 equal to dt by dx. But in the sum, what is the value there? X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8. So, x cube by 1 plus x power 8. You bring dx to this side and 4 to the next side. It gives 1 by 4 dt. You substitute in the sum. See here, integral sine of tan inverse of x power 4 is what? T. Tan inverse of x power 4 is what? T. X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8. X cube dx by 1 plus x power 8 is what? 1 by 4 dt into 1 by 4 dt. 1 by 4 is constant, you can take it out. So, 1 by 4 into integral sin t into dt. What is the integration of sin t? So, it gives 1 by 4 into integral sin t. What is the integration of sin t? Minus cos t plus c. Minus cos t plus c. So, 1 by 4 you can take it minus out. 1 by 4 into cos t plus c. But in the given sum it is in a form of x. So, you replace the value of t by x. See here, minus 1 by 4 into cos of what is the value of t? T equal to tan inverse of x power 4 plus c. I hope you understood, children. See here, what is the final answer? Minus 1 by 4 cos of, you replaced that value of t by tan inverse of x power 4 plus c.